Hi guys, I just wanted to pop on here quickly and share something with you guys I was thinking about doing, and I wanted to get your input on it. So I would like to plan on doing a bingo game night here on my channel where you could partake live to win some crafty goodies. So before I launch it, I just want to show you a couple of the prizes that I'm thinking about giving away. And let me know in the comments which one you would like to win. So let's jump right into those prizes. So this is going to be option 1, the Hippest Hippos. It comes with a die set as well. So I'm going to show you a couple cards that I created using this stamp set and the dies. Pretty cute. Okay, so that will be option 1. So give your votes down below. Okay, that will be option 1. And then this would be option 2, thanks a bunch. And these are here. This is a couple cards that I created with that. And then I did this little easel. And then this would be option 3. Okay, so those are the 3 options there. Also, I need your help choosing the best night to host. I'm thinking a Friday night or a Saturday night. So drop that comment down below as well. And most importantly, is this something you'll be interested in? So if I get a good response, I'll go ahead and do one trial run with only one giveaway. And if it works out good, then I'll have more giveaways in the future. So I have plenty others that I could choose from, but I haven't done a live in a long time. So I would have to do a practice run, a little practice run with the registration forms, how people react online, and see if this is something that I would like to do. So give me a vote down below if this is something you'll be interested in. What night would you prefer? Friday night, Saturday night, what time? So it'll have to be probably in the evening or either Friday or Saturday night for me. I'm on Eastern time. And let me know which one of these stamp set would you like, would be interested in. If I did do one giveaway, which one would you like? This one comes with the dies. These others are just the stamp set. So let me know just for my trial run if you're interested in it. Leave me a comment down below, some feedback on that. That would be greatly appreciated. So I'm looking forward to having a nice interactive bingo night where you guys could win some crafty goodies. So it will be completely free to play and free to register. So I would also cover free shipping within the US. You'll have to be 18 years or older. So I just think it's something fun that we could all do together. And especially if you enjoy chatting or enjoy crafting. And if it goes well, I'll definitely be doing more of this in the future and more prizes, maybe bigger prizes. So definitely let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette. I'll catch you guys on that next video.